Hello everyone and welcome to Computer Help 911. Please remember to subscribe if you have not done so and turn on the notification so that you can always get notified whenever I drop a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can extend your internal hard drive, the main storage inside your computer, and create another partition where you can store files. Okay, so the idea is sometimes you get stuck with viruses on a particular laptop and you're thinking of how to copy your files out and so on. So you can use the same hard drive that you have on your system. Be sure that the hard drive has enough space. Okay, so go to my computer or this PC as you have it on Windows 10 or Windows 11. When you launch my computer, you right click on my computer or this PC and select manage. Note that if you're on Windows 11, you will have to click on show more options before you can access manage. A window pops up, computer management window. Locate the storage menu and click on disk management. When you click on disk management, you can view all storage devices on your computer. Every storage device will be listed. In this case, I have only one storage device, which is drive C, and you can see it has some partitions already. To create another partition to extend your drive, just right click on the main drive, which is drive C, and click on shrink volume. The computer management wizard tries to query your computer disk, your storage disk, to know how much space is available for shrinking. And once that querying is done, once it's done checking the space available, it will give you the maximum available space that you can shrink on your device. Okay, so you can decide to go ahead and shrink the maximum space, but if you still intend to keep some space, maybe for future purposes, you enter the amount you want to shrink in kilobytes. In this case, I intend to shrink everything, so I'll just click on shrink. The moment you click on screen, you notice that immediately it creates another drive, but you can see that the drive is not yet usable. You can see unallocated, meaning that you cannot do anything on it. So what you do is right click on it and click on new simple volume, and it takes you to the new simple volume wizard. So there it will show you the maximum space you have. So you select maximum, just go ahead with the default setting. Then you can assign a letter to your drive, whatever letter you want to assign to it. In this case, I intend to assign letter P. I assign it, and then I click on next. So I don't want to change anything about the formatting, but I want to enter a volume label. The name my drive will be called. I know it is drive P, but then it has a name. So I want to customize the name. So in this case, I'm going to be calling it backup drive. Okay, so I'll give it a name. I'll name it backup drive. Once you enter the name, just click on next and it will proceed to format your drive. Once your drive is formatted, it will launch the drive automatically, just like you just inserted a new drive. Now in my computer or this PC, as you can see, you can already see the drive there, backup drive P, and you can see it is 11.0 gig. So that is it. So you can, from this point now, copy any files you have on my computer, any file you want to save for backup, you can move it into this backup drive. Now, another thing you should do is that this will enable you to even format the main hard drive, which is drive C, without having to tamper with your files. So if you find this video informative and interesting, kindly drop a comment in the comment section. And also remember to subscribe if you have not done so, and turn on the notification so that you can also be informed whenever I drop a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.